Jim, today is Tuesday, December 31st. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis with Professor Cage. I am an investing master at the real world, and when it comes to analysis and market key expectations form karna and looking at different things, I am one of the best because I am a macro researcher. और यहाँ पे मैं luck के साथ नहीं पहुंचा. I have put in efforts and hard work over the years to develop this understanding, and I'm here to give you that wisdom. डेली बेसिस पे क्रिप्टो की सभी न्यूज, इंफॉर्मेशन, एनालिसिस, रिसर्च आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू टॉक अबाउट, what is the important area to focus on, altcoins, meme coins, blah blah blah, every single thing. मैं सब कुछ कवर करता हूँ. You just have to spend a little bit of your time understanding, अपने पैशन के साथ अंडरस्टैंड करना, इसको शौक के साथ अंडरस्टैंड करना कि ओके, इफ यू आर गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द क्रिप्टो मार्केट, सो आपको इस बात का पता होना चाहिए कि दिस इज अ प्लेस जहां पे 99% ऑफ द पीपल दे लूज देयर मनी. क्यों? बिकॉज वो गैम्बलिंग करना चाहते हैं. वो चाहते हैं कि बस उनको सिंपली स्पून फीड करके प्राइस टारगेट्स दे दिए जाए और वो उन पे ट्रेड्स ले लें, एंड या फिर कोई स्पेसिफिक टोकन बता दिया जाए जो कि उनको रातों रात मिलियनेयर बना दे. लेकिन आपको पता है इस बात का कि ये रियलिटी नहीं. अगर ये रियलिटी होती तो स्टेटिस्टिक्स हमें ये ना बताते कि 99% ऑफ द पीपल हु एवर टच द मार्केट दे लूज their money within 6 to 9 months, and this is reality based on mathematics. इसीलिए हम बहुत हाई लेवल से मार्केट को अप्रोच करते हैं, बहुत हायर स्केल से हर चीज को देखते हैं, सिस्टम्स डेवलप करते हैं जिन सिस्टम्स की बेस पे हम अपने इन्वेस्टिंग डिसीजंस लेते हैं, ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस लेते हैं, एंड उसके अलावा वी डू द एनालिसिस, वी लुक एट ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स, बेस्ट पॉसिबल एक्सपेक्टेशंस फॉर्म करने के लिए. सो ये एनालिसिस वीडियोस जो मैं यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करता हूँ, माई गोल इज टू प्रेजेंट यू विद द बेस्ट एनालिसिस जो आप इंटरनेट पे फाइंड कर सकते हो. एंड विदाउट एनी फर्दर वेट, आई एम गोना गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट बिकॉज हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बाय द वे इन एडवांस. incredible year in terms of Bitcoin, the greatest asset in the world. जिस किसी ने भी Bitcoin नहीं बाय किया वो रिग्रेट करता है. जिस किसी ने भी Bitcoin को सेल करके मीम कॉइन्स या ऑल्ट कॉइन्स बाय किए वो भी रिग्रेट करता है हमेशा. एंड फनी इनफ, एवरीवन जिसने Bitcoin बाय किया एंड उसको सेल नहीं किया या फिर उसको स्ट्रेटेजिकली ट्रेड किया, स्ट्रेटेजिकली से मेरा मतलब इन अ सिस्टमाइज्ड वे, दे आर हैप्पी. सो एम आई. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं ऑल्ट कॉइन्स या मीम कॉइन्स को ट्रेड नहीं करता, बट इट इज अ वेरी हाई क्वालिटी सिस्टमैटिक वे जो कि मैं आपको अपनी मास्टर क्लास में भी सिखाता हूँ. सो फर्स्ट थिंग I'm gonna get into is, this is my masterclass. Well, this is just a image that I have made here. यहाँ पे you can see there is my Instagram username, so you can DM me on the Instagram to join my masterclass जहाँ पे मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस देता हूँ. आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स ऑन ऑल द टॉपिक्स. एक पूरा पाथ मैंने आपके लिए बहुत इजी वे में बिल्ड किया है जिसको फॉलो करके यू कैन बिकम एन इंडिपेंडेंट एक्सपर्ट. जिसका मतलब कि आपको पूरी लाइफ किसी को सुनने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप इतने एक्सपर्ट हो जाओगे कि आप खुद के डिसीजंस ले सकते हो. आपको खुद पता होगा कि आपने क्या बाय करना है, कब बाय करना है, कब सेल करना है, कैसे बाय करना है, कैसे सेल करना है, एवरी सिंगल थिंग. एंड मोर ओवर, मैं डेली बेसिस पे सभी सिग्नल्स प्रोवाइड करता हूँ विद माय एक्सपीरियंस एंड माय सिस्टम्स. सो जितनी देर यू आर डेवलपिंग योर सिस्टम्स, यू कैन अर्न in the market following my guidance every single day. DM me on Instagram to join my masterclass. It is paid, but it is not for me. The money is for you to value the education you're going to get. So now we have covered that. This is going to be the rough structure of my daily analysis. सबसे पहले I'm going to cover market analysis, which जहाँ पे I'm going to look at macroeconomical information. I'm gonna look at different metrics जो important है, जो नहीं important, and उसके बेस पे एक एक्सपेक्टेशन फॉर्म की जाएगी कि ओके, दिस इज हैपनिंग एंड दिस इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू हैपन इन द फ्यूचर. ये होगा सबसे पहले मैक्रो लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस पे. सबसे पहले हम लॉन्ग टर्म एक्सपेक्टेशंस फॉर्म करेंगे, देन वी आर गोना मूव इनटू डेली लेवल्स जहां पे हम मीडियम एंड शॉर्ट टर्म एक्सपेक्टेशंस फॉर्म करेंगे. देन आई एम गोना लुक इनटू द मीम मार्केट, देन आई एम गोना गिव एन आउटलुक सभी चीजों को स्टडी करने के, उनको देखने के बाद आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एन आउटलुक के व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, दैट व्हाट यू कैन डू टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्व्स फॉर एनी अपकमिंग मूव। और ये मैं डेली बेसिस पे करता हूँ बाय द वे, एंड सक्सेस रेशियो इसकी अभी तक तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 100 आउट ऑफ 100 है। सो then I'm gonna move into the recommendation that what should you do. So without any further wait, let's get straight into it. सबसे पहले macroeconomical information. We have a new lead of morning note from 42 macro. So I'm gonna move into the executive summary. This is a, by the way, अगर आपको नहीं पता कि what is like all of this, watch my daily videos. Daily basis पे देखा करो. This is the only way you can understand and develop the understanding के किस तरीके से हम approach करते हैं. Again, आपको इसकी ज्यादा समझ आएगी if you join my master class जहां पे आपको step by step guidance मिलेगी. So this is a loading question. Given that we know there will be a lot of change from a global macro thematic perspective, some of the change will be good for asset markets, and some of the change bad for asset markets, i.e. tariffs, too strong USD and not too strong USD, because USD, strong USD का correlation, the inverse correlation with Bitcoin is no longer valid. और definitely मैं पहला बंदा हूँ आपको ये बताने के लिए कि US डॉलर्स का Bitcoin के साथ inverse correlation is no longer valid, और ये मैंने तकरीबन 2-3 वीक पहले अपनी मास्टर क्लास में बता दिया था. And probably the most, yeah, here we go. Probably the most concerning dynamic regarding all this change is the fact that our global liquidity cycle analysis confirms 2025 features one of the most significant global refinancing needs ever across both public and private sector debt. How much balance sheet capacity will global investors have to roll this debt? How much will they want to, in the context of the laundry list of changes we just detailed? Be careful not to extrapolate 2024 or even post-election performance well into your expectations of future asset prices until you develop a high probability scenario for the size, sequence, and scope of the aforementioned. What the fuck is this word? I don't know its meaning. And global macro thematic changes. Our fundamental research can help with that, and our KISS and Dr. Mo signals can help you with, yeah, blah blah blah. Good. Okay, so basically they are saying, okay, do not expect higher prices up 2024 or ये Trump rally की जो the Q1 of 2024 and this Trump rally, इससे आप ये expectation ना form करोगे that we are going to have massive performance in Q1. और ये हम सिर्फ this is one single piece of information, लेकिन हमारे पास बहुत सी और information है जो मैं daily basis पे cover करता हूँ. मैं हर information को daily basis पे नहीं cover करूंगा, of course, क्योंकि अगर कल वाले analysis में I have covered different things और उससे अब हमें ये पता है कि okay, this is most likely going to happen, suggesting that information. So उसको डेली बेसिस पे कवर करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. इसीलिए इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप एनालिसिस जो देखते हो उसको डेली बेसिस पे देखो, so you don't miss out on anything. Like now, this is one piece of information. We have many other pieces of information which are suggesting that we are not gonna see any higher prices, not gonna see any massive increase in liquidity until about April, May. And वहां से हम ये expect करेंगे we are gonna head into the second massive leg. So do not get psyoped into believing that Bitcoin is maybe gonna go because it is going to rise. और ये सब कुछ भी मैंने कल mention किया था, कल cover किया था, that it is going to rise towards this area, and everyone is going to say कि oh that is it, we're now gonna go up massive into this up leg. But no, that will not be a case. Expect any sort of consolidation in absence of liquidity until February, March, April, and then uske baad we're gonna kick into the next leg. So unless we have any further information जो कि हमें suggest करती है कि yeah, we can break it and we can go massively up, unless we have that information, दिस इज what is most likely going to happen. और ये मैं अभी नहीं कह रहा, ये मैं यहाँ से कह रहा हूँ. Like from this area, I have been telling that we are in the mean reverting market state. और यहाँ से मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को अपनी मास्टर क्लास में बता दिया था कि, और एनालिसिस में भी बताया था कि expect anything to happen. We are gonna chop around for a couple of months and then we are gonna go back up. So yeah, that is it from this. ये भी हमारी उस स्टेटमेंट को, हमारी उस एक्सपेक्टेशन को अफर्म कर रहा है. There is nothing more to look out for in the lead of morning note, although I do like to look at the VAMS ranges, because let's see where it is. VAMS. Okay, here we go. So I do like to look at VAMS ranges. Iska, just the ranges, by the way, because I don't like this trend model from Darius Dale, because mera LTPI, if you don't know what is LTPI, मेरा सिस्टम, मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोबेबिलिटी सिस्टम इससे बहुत ज्यादा सुपीरियर है, एंड इट हैज बीन बैक टेस्टेड अगेंस्ट दिस मॉडल. एंड इस वजह से आई डोंट लाइक टू लुक एट दिस, बट व्हाट आई लाइक टू लुक एट इज, oops, I broke it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. So what I like to look at is the VAMS ranges, because इनकी adjustment बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसने की हुई है. So the lower end of range is 90 to 80. So with a single day of volatility, we can go to 90 to 80 around this area. Gonna draw a line there, here, and the upper range of the VAMS model is, where is it? 104. Okay, 104. Here we go. With a single day of volatility, 104. Alrighty. And here it was 902. Alrighty. Why does it show trend line? Let me get rid of it. All good. Okay. So with a single day of volatility, Bitcoin can go to around 90.2 area. And again, there are some liquidations जो कि मैं expect भी कर रहा हूँ to get taken out from that area, but it is not necessary कि if it is going to pull back from here, it might very well, but it can like go to somewhere around here and then might very well pull back, because this is what I'm expecting to happen. Or it can very well go somewhere around here as well, maybe do a little bit higher and then pull back. It is going to pull back, और यही हम expect कर रहे हैं. We're gonna look at different informations as we navigate along the analysis to see कि best possible expectation क्या है. So with every information, every single information जिसको भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, उसके हिसाब से what is it suggesting, and then I'm gonna, and in the end मैं सभी इंफॉर्मेशन को एग्रीगेट करूंगा टू फॉर्म द बेस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो अगर मैं आपको अभी ये बता दिया कि ओके इट इज गोना गो अप एंड देन गोना गो डाउन, इट डज नॉट मीन के ओके मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बता रहा हूं कि इस इंफॉर्मेशन की बेस पे दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन, लेकिन हम लास्ट पे सभी इंफॉर्मेशन को एग्रीगेट करेंगे. सिमिलरली इथेरियम में द सिंगल डे वॉलेटिलिटी गोज टू 3142 एंड 3863. So Ethereum looks very oversold anyways. And by the way, a good reaction on Ethereum. I'm going to look into ETH BTC after. So yep, that is going to be it. Uske alawa, there are some components in my LTPI from 42 macro, which is Darius Dale ka these weather models. So as you can see, Bitcoin ka weather model is neutral, and red, the liquidity aggregated commodities positioning is neutral, and aggregated US equities positioning is neutral. And stock market pay, it is down, bond market pay, it is up. So expect some consolidation. This is also suggesting that we are not ready to move up further up into the next leg. Uske alawa, do I want to look at anything else? Nope. That is going to be it from here. Now we're going to move into मीम कॉइन के बारे में मैं लास्ट पे बात करूंगा. बाय द वे, दिस इज लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक. So, GM to Andrew Tate, and GM, Happy New Year to all of you. If you don't go to the gym, you are just, I mean, come on, guys, what are you doing? If you go to the gym today, New Year pay, everyone is partying. Everyone is like, oh, we're gonna do drugs, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, we're gonna party and stuff. outcompete your competition. How you can do that? Go to the gym. Go to the gym, work hard, become strong, have a healthy mind. Healthy mind is equal to more money. If you go to the gym, I promise you, I absolutely promise you, that you're gonna become rich. I promise you. So, Velo website, do we have anything interesting? Market volume 1 week के हिसाब से it is rising, which is good to see. So expect some volatility in the both directions. And anyways, I think Bitcoin is gonna head up, because अगर हम monthly candle देखें Bitcoin की, by the way, mission to save the monthly candle. Maybe it is gonna close green. Maybe we still have a few hours to go. Maybe how much? 9 hours to see what is going to happen. It will be interesting to see. And glitch in the matrix dashboard. Odds I'm not gonna. Why? I don't know why it rugs me. Fuck CryptoQuant. So glitch in the matrix dashboard, इसको हमने कल डिटेल में कवर किया था. We looked at maybe like 10-15 metrics to see what is going on with the market. Odds I'm not gonna go into that because it is the same story as yesterday. उसके अलावा there is nothing very much interesting to talk about. मैंने आपको बताया था कि we are ready for a rally, लेकिन do not expect it to be a very major rally या फिर very sharp rally. It is maybe gonna take some time, go around here, maybe gonna go a little beyond, and उसके बाद it is going to pull back again. इन सब चीजों को मैंने कल कवर किया था, and it is same like that. Fed net liquidity is sideways, TGA balance is sideways, and RRP is also sideways. So nothing, any new information there. उसके बाद Bitcoin ETF flows. Kal, there were outflows, about 415 million of outflows on Bitcoin and around 55 millions of outflows on Ethereum. So yeah, understandable. Lekin Bitcoin, mark my words, is going to have massive inflows going into next couple of days. 1st January, 2nd January. अगर हम बात करें last 15 years में, not 15 years, last 10 years may, if we talk about like the 1st January, I'm not going to go into every 1st January. You can pull up the chart and you can look for yourself. Lekin 1st January, 8 out of 10 times we have had green 1st January. So yeah, expect Bitcoin to rise because we're gonna have log position करना चाहेंगे for 2025, और हम भी position करना चाहते हैं for 2025, लेकिन हम उनसे ज्यादा superior method पे जाकर खुद को position करते हैं, because we have elite class systems and we are like best when doing to when talking about the market analysis and forming the expectations. क्योंकि हम बहुत सी चीजों को देखते हैं, हम एक piece of information पे rely नहीं करते. We are hedge fund level of researchers and investors. So, what else do we have? We have covered that. Average. Now we're gonna head into some medium short-term data to see what is going to happen and how the market is looking in the short term. Bitcoin heat low, so it is in favor, which is good to see. Quadrant model is going up. So मैंने कल बताया था कि I do want to see it go into the spot rally. So it is probably going to go into the spot rally in a couple of days. Maybe. Then Jungle Beat crypto app ranking 15. I'm gonna reload it to see. Yeah, 15. Okay, so absolutely fantastic to see. People are not even paying attention, and I know what is going to happen. In next few days, when Bitcoin is going to rise towards 104568, maybe 10K area, it is gonna come down to 1, or yeah, then it is going to pull back, and again the same story. लोग हमेशा गलत टाइम पे आते हैं. People don't know. I have been telling you guys, I have been calling you guys कि come on, like जब prices ऊपर जा रही होती हैं तब आप आते हो. जब prices नीचे जा रही हो, then is the right time. वो सही टाइम है कि you pay attention, you prepare yourselves, because आपको ऊपर जाते ही प्राइस की अपॉर्चुनिटी कैप्चर करनी है. कितना मुश्किल है ये चीज अंडरस्टैंड करना. जब प्राइसेस नीचे जा रही है, सब लोग, people are bored, people are feared and all of that shit. So you need to be active, you need to be excited, क्योंकि आपको नेक्स्ट लेग कैच करनी है. इसीलिए I was here from through these 8 months, every single day, and 57K pay, my system gave me a signal that, come on dude, it is the time to get inside the market, to buy crypto, to buy all the जो भी मेरे systems ने मुझे tokens बताए थे and everything I bought, and मैंने इस पूरे ट्रेंड को राइड किया, एंड यहाँ पे मैंने सबको बता दिया था कि वी हैव एंटर्ड इन द मीन रिवर्टिंग मार्केट स्टेट एंड ट्रेंड इज ओवर. सो देयर इज अ रीजन. देयर इज, आई डोंट हैव अ क्रिस्टल बॉल, आई जस्ट हैव माय सिस्टम्स. मेरे पास सिस्टम्स हैं, मेरे पास स्ट्रेटजीज हैं, मैथमेटिकल ड्रिवन, जो कि मुझे ये सब कुछ बताती हैं. कोई मैजिक रूल नहीं है. ओके, द ओनली मैजिक इज द अटेंशन, द पैशन एंड द हार्ड वर्क. Again, guys, I have created this masterclass ताकि आपको मैं गैम्बलिंग डीजेनरेसी से निकाल के प्रोफेशनलिज्म की तरफ लेकर आऊं और आपको प्रोफेशनल टेक्निक्स सिखा सकूं. DM me on Instagram to join my masterclass. This is the only way. You will become an independent expert for the rest of your life. आप खुद सभी डिसीजंस ले सकते हो. आपके सिस्टम्स आपके लिए आपके ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस ले सकते हैं. So now, percent supply in profit, which is looking good into this area. By the way, मैं एक न्यू सीरीज स्टार्ट करने लगा हूं जहां पे मैं जिन भी मेट्रिक्स को देख रहा हूं, जिन भी इंडिकेटर्स को देख रहा हूं, मैं उनके ऊपर एक थोड़ा एनालिसिस करूंगा कि आप उनको कैसे देख सकते हो, हाउ दैट इंडिकेटर बिहेव्स, और उस what does it mean when it is above this line and what does it mean when it is below this line, उसका historical behavior, उसका historical relationship कैसे impact करे, and everything I'm going to cover that. So I'm going to post about these like in length videos about these metrics. So stay around, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the push notification buttons. I don't know, I'm saying this for the first time, by the way. So to stay alert about all the videos that I'm gonna post. We have just started, baby. We have just started. Short-term holder MBRV, it is going down, और मैंने कल बताया था कि it has tendency, when it goes down, it has the tendency to go all the way down towards the mean area. और इसके support में there is one more thing here. This is another because MVRV is a valuation model, and this was another model जो कि हमें ये बताता है कि okay, the where the mean is sitting. So MVRV mean is currently sitting at 86.8k. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw a line there, 86.8k. So now the question is, are you prepared? Are you prepared for something like this to happen? Are you prepared? Maybe it is going to go down first, then it is going to move up, जो हम recovery rally expect कर रहे हैं. Because ये also मेरी analysis, कल वाले analysis के साथ align करता है, because there are a lot of liquidations sitting at 86, 88, somewhere around 88k. So it is going to take out all those liquidations, then it is going to move up, and everyone is going to, आपके सभी YouTubers कहेंगे कि oh, now we're all good and we're going to go break out. Maybe we're going to make another all-time high, 110k. लेकिन उसके बाद, as everyone is going to be expecting Bitcoin to break out and everything, it is going to pull back and it is going to stay choppy and fuck everyone up. Patience, and then kick off. Next couple of months, February, March, April तक, do not expect Bitcoin to go too much up. Do not. ये मैं आपको एक महीना हो चला, मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूं. एंड अगर एक महीने पहले मैंने ये बात की थी कि वी हैव एंटर्ड इन द मीन रिवर्टिंग मार्केट स्टेट, अब वो चीज पता चल रही है कि वी हैव एंटर्ड इन द मीन रिवर्टिंग मार्केट स्टेट, एंड प्रोबेबली ये चीज दोबारा से कंफर्म हो जाएगी व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू मूव अप एंड देन गोना पुल बैक. सो प्रिपेयर योरसेल्व्स, जस्ट डोंट गेट सायोप्ड. मेरी जॉब है आपको राइट इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करना, आपको सच बताना. मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं, मैं पैशन के साथ ये करता हूं. मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं आपको झूठ बताने में. मेरा पैशन है मार्केट की अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करना, एनालिसिस करना, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई टेल यू ऑल दिस विद पैशन, सो आपको राइट गाइडेंस मिल सके. और पैशन के साथ ही मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास भी क्रिएट की है, because I love investing, I love the crypto market, I love Bitcoin, and I want everyone to adopt Bitcoin, because I know this is the future. It is going to go to 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and beyond. So, what else do we have? We have covered that. Short term holder SOPR also going down. I मैंने कल बताया था कि I do want to see it go further down and then move back up, and it looks like it is going to do that. Then we're gonna move into the liquidation heat maps. Liquidation heat maps क्या suggest कर रहे हैं? We have taken out those liquidations and there is still these cluster of liquidations sitting down there, which I'm concerned that it has not taken out. Maybe we're gonna see some dump, take these liquidations out and then move up. Lekin even if it does not, there are bunch of liquidations to take us to 98k, or yeah, expect Bitcoin to move towards 98k pretty easily. 98, 99, maybe it is going to break 100 right away or not, who knows, but 88k is inevitable. बहुत easy है. अगर आप यहाँ पे भी, like if you buy, you can easily like do whatever percent it does. Then what do we have here? Coin glass liquidations pe, there are liquidations around this area, this cluster of liquidations which are sitting around above 87, so around 88k to 90k, and these are the liquidations which have to be taken out. Maybe we're gonna take them afterwards. Like, I'm still like, this is still concerning, nothing else to be concerned about. Again, मैं outlook में बताऊंगा कि what is going to happen. Choppiness index, 1 day choppiness index पे मैं analysis कर रहा था to see. So when it goes basically down, it is indicating a negative trend, as you can see all the way here, all the way. No, actually it is indicating a trend, not in the positive or negative direction. So when it is like a peaking above these, very noisy indicator, when it is peaking above these standard deviation points, then it is indicating the trend exhaustion, and when it is moving to the other direction, it is indicating the trend continuation in the both directions. So very noisy. 1 day, I don't like to look at it. I like to look at 1 week and 1 month. So 1 week choppiness index is still moving up, which is also, this means that we are in a choppy mean reverting state. And जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था कि the 1 month is going to move down and then sideways, while this is going to catch up with it, and then maybe it is going to go down, and then this is going to go down. This is then we're gonna have this upwards, a little upwards trend. In if that is going to be a short-term trend or a long-term trend, we're going to see. Now some futures information. Futures open interest is very low and rising, so this is also suggesting that we're going to see higher prices. We are ready for a rally. Then we have covered that, and funding rate, negative funding of Bitcoin, which is also supportive of the higher prices. इसको भी मैंने कल cover किया था. Now Ethereum return heat map. So ये हमें बता रहा है कि Ethereum की returns, like a seasonality model of Ethereum, as you can see कि January, going into January, Ethereum has the for Ethereum it has been the strongest month for Ethereum since 2015, of course. And after like mid year, going into June, उसके आगे से like it has the negative seasonality for Ethereum. And expect Ethereum to outperform. Expect Ethereum to at least outperform in first 3 months, March, January, February, March, or even like in January. Agar January में we're gonna see a rally, Ethereum is going to outperform. So हम इसके बारे में we're gonna get back to the charts to see how it is going to look like. And then do we have anything else? Michael Saylor, freeze your assets. Absolute G. Okay. So now let's move into the charts. Look at ETH BTC ratio. और इसको मैंने कल कवर किया था कि ETH BTC ratio is showing strength, and expect this to show further strength going into it is going to build its base, and Ethereum is going to outperform. Not now. Yeah, in January के अंदर we're gonna see a rally, of course. उसके अंदर Ethereum is going to outperform. Maybe ETH BTC ratio is gonna go somewhere around this area, and then it is going to pull back, gonna make a higher low, and then going to chop around, and then it is going to kick लेटर ऑन, लेकिन ये भी याद रखो कि ईथ बीटीसी रेशियो लास्ट 2 years से डाउन ट्रेंड में है. सो दिस इज द area जहां पे you can expect ETH BTC to bottom out, although it has always failed to bottom out. But yeah, expect this to bottom out somewhere around here and expect ETH BTC ratio to rise. Again, if any of that happens, मेरे systems मुझे बता देंगे, वो चीज़ होने से पहले बता देंगे, जैसे उन्होंने यहाँ पे बताया था, यहाँ पे बताया था कि एंड यहाँ पे बताया था. तो आई एम नॉट कंसर्न्ड एट ऑल. आई हैव एलीट सिस्टम्स, और अगर आपको भी सिस्टम्स डेवलप करने, जॉइन माई मास्टर क्लास. Then Solana, as well, as Solana has been beaten down so bad, expect Solana to outperform BTC a little. Or iske baad we're gonna go into the Bitcoin dominance ratio as well. Solana is going to outperform. It is maybe gonna go into somewhere around this area. Should I draw ranges on Solana? Let's do. Let's do. So this is going to be our resistance, and this is going to be our support. I'm gonna mark this as red. Oops. So yeah, expect Solana to go to somewhere around here, and yahan se it is going to reject. Of course, it is going to reject unless we have some additional information. But yeah, Solana is probably going to head towards its resistance area, and it is going to outperform BTC through that phase. अगर हम सोल बीटीसी रेशियो की बात करें, इट आल्सो नीड्स सम अटेंशन. वी वर लकी टू गेट आउट ऑफ सोलाना हियर, जब हमें पता चला था कि हमारे सिस्टम्स ने हमें बताया था कि इट इज गोइंग टू अंडर परफॉर्म, एंड ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल सिस्टम्स जैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं. नाउ इट नीड्स सम अटेंशन. इट इज गोइंग टू मे बी आउट परफॉर्म एंड देन चॉप अराउंड, बिल्ड इट स्पेस एंड डू something like that. Now, I'm gonna look into BTC dominance as well and see how it is looking. BTC dominance not breaking, not going to break, of course not going to break on a like a huge level. If we talk about like a huge level, it is going to come down. It can very well come down and everyone is gonna say, oh, alt season, then boom, here we go. Because chop ke andar your alts are gonna get crushed. Or I'm gonna look into a few alts as well to tell you that everything needs time. और इसको मैंने अगेन एंड अगेन बहुत बार कवर किया है कि एवरीथिंग, ऑल ऑफ दिस नीड्स सम टाइम. दे नीड सम टाइम टू बिल्ड देयर बेस अगेन. Okay, they're going to chop around, do something, maybe any kind of thing exactly in squiggles को follow नहीं करेगा, then it is going to move. And this, no, I'm not saying this is going to take us to November. ये मैं सिर्फ एक example आपको draw करके बता रहा हूँ कि expect anything to happen within this range for a couple of months before we go back up. अगर हम हायर टाइम फ्रेम पे देखें तो it does not make any difference. If you look at any other altcoin, some random altcoin like Near, you can see failed breakout, fallen back. Now it is probably going to maybe attempt one more time and then gonna go back down somewhere around this area and build its base before kicking into the next leg. Similarly goes for every other altcoins. So Virtuals is looking absolutely strong, by the way. Virtuals is looking strong, but I would not buy Virtuals here. Yes, it is very strong in the relative strength. Perhaps, actually, it is the second strongest token in my systems. लेकिन मैंने इसको buy नहीं किया. मेरी खुद की choice है. Yeah, systems told me, but I didn't. तो बिकॉज मैं उससे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग टोकन्स होल्ड करूं. एंड सुई इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज फक एज वेल. Dude, it is showing strength and probably it is going to move up. And not sure if it is going to break out and then go up. Maybe it is going to, who knows. But अगर हम इसको हायर टाइम फ्रेम परस्पेक्टिव पे देखें तो सुई does need a pullback. It does need a pullback. Everything like this is looking like they need a little bit of pullback before going back up. So, but Again, Sui is looking incredibly strong in the relative strength. मैं again cover नहीं करूँगा relative strength के बारे में because मैंने कल cover किया था. Then there is another one, grass, which is absolutely fantastic in strength. और यहाँ पे मैंने ये buy area यहाँ पे draw किया था. यहाँ पे मैंने अपने सभी स्टूडेंट्स को ये buy area दिया था. Maybe I drew it somewhere around here. यहाँ पे मैंने ये buy area draw किया था. I told them to buy grass. This was a signal. Yes, this was a signal. So anyone who bought in this area, they made good profits. And by the way, one more thing, unfortunate ke मैं open नहीं कर सकता. I did not pull it, and I'm not gonna open my finders because personal stuff. लेकिन मैंने कई मीम कॉइन्स बताए थे अपनी मास्टर क्लास में which did absolutely fantastic. One of them 2 days में 6x 6.5x, and all of others they did 2x, 2.5x, 3x. So absolutely fantastic. You are missing out if you are not in my masterclass. Join my masterclass. मैं आपको वहां पे सभी signals provide करता हूँ every single day. उसके बाद we're gonna look into the meme market, और meme में there are again these AI agent tokens. इन सबको भी मैंने mention किया था अपने उसमें in my Discord community, my masterclass कम्युनिटी को मैंने बताया था कि लाइक दिस इज द एरिया जहां पे आपको फोकस करना चाहिए, लेकिन डोंट टेक इट एज अ सिग्नल नाउ, क्योंकि जब मैंने मेंशन किया था उसके बाद दीज टोकन्स हैव डन मैसिव रिटर्न्स. आई वुडंट टेल यू टू बाय दीज, आपकी खुद की चॉइस है, लेकिन दिस इज वन एरिया टू फोकस आउट. मैंने आई थिंक केओस वाज द वन. इफ आई गो टू द डेली चार्ट, यप, मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में केओस को यहां पे मेंशन किया था. Here, 27th, yep, here. And Chaos did 7x, 6.5x. Amazing. AIXPT, this is also one जिसको मैंने mention किया था, which has done absolutely fantastic. 27th. Whoa. 73%. Amazing. And what else? What else do we have? How are memes looking like? I have a few memes जिनको मैं देख रहा हूँ very closely, like Apu. Apu is well, it is not looking good for now. Maybe it needs to go down and build its base before going back up, like we have seen here. Or maybe if we're gonna see higher prices in the first couple of weeks of January, maybe it is gonna do something like this and then gonna move down, something like this. This is, I would say, most likely to happen. Yeah, most likely to happen. Okay, before going down, it is gonna go up. Then Wolf is also the one जिसमें इसमें मैंने 70 million market cap पे I told my students to buy Wolf in my Discord community, in my masterclass community, and we took profits here. I absolutely did. यहाँ पे भी नहीं, I took profits at 250 million market cap. And now it is down and holding up pretty well. Absolutely fantastic area, and it looks like it is ready to move up into its resistance area. So you can take a short trade. Not a signal. Again, can't resist. This is not a signal. So, yep. Come on. What else? Ski is looking good, but not interested in Ski right now because this is a highly manipulative token by the Kaizen community. So not interested. Dog is also the one which I'm watching. Let's see how it is gonna do. Gonna keep an eye on out for that. And then Kikius. So Elon Musk, you motherfucker. Let's search Kikius. Elon मस्क ने ट्विटर एआई ग्रॉक ने कीकियस मैक्सिमस टोकन बनाया, एंड दिस मीम व्हाटएवर इट इज, एंड इलॉन मस्क ने अपना ट्विटर नेम कीकियस मैक्सिमस कर दिया, एंड उसने अपनी प्रोफाइल पिक्चर चेंज कर दी. So ये करने पे Kiki has in a day it has done how much? 13x, 14x in one day. 14x. जब तक मुझे realize हुआ था it was very late, but I was able to get my entry around 100 million. I did buy it around 100 million around this area. So this is also looking good. Also looking good. Lekin for short term profits, I'm just gonna this was a very like gonna be a short term trade. So it has I'm already like 47% in profit. Jitni der mein record kar raha tha, I was in 70% in profit. So absolutely fantastic. Fantastic trade I took. And by the way, ये मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास कम्युनिटी में मेंशन किया था जब मैंने बाय किया था तब. Well, I did not tell them that I did buy, but I did mention it. Opus is also one that I am watching out और ये भी मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास कम्युनिटी को बताया था 10 million market cap पे and this is now 50% up. Guys, join the masterclass. आपको like I just tell you so many things, so many tokens, so many signals. मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता. Like I just like to give you guys these things, and they turn out to be good options, good decisions because I'm best. I'm one of the best, I would say. So yeah, meme coins, you can certainly see some higher prices in meme coins going into January. Most of them are going to have recovery rallies, then maybe gonna move back down and then continue to chop around. And jab we're gonna have in mid April, May, June, we're going to have liquidity and we're going to be ready to move back up into the next massive leg. Then is the time these tokens are going to push on. Usse pehle expect them to chop around their in their ranges. Also, isse mujhe yaad aa gaya like Binance listing candles, Binance listing rumored candles, I would say. Chill guy is chilling. Also would be bottoming out somewhere around this area. This was also the Binance rumor और उसके बाद it sold off जो कि मुझे absolutely पता था कि it is going to do something like that. It is now going to spend a lot of time. Maybe you're gonna see some recovery rally. यहाँ तक लेकिन सिर्फ somewhere around this area and then it is going to move back down and gonna chop around and then move back up later on expect this to spend some time building its base before going back up. So yeah, again, recovery rally is on the line and grass has done absolutely fantastic. Agar mere students ne you bought the grass somewhere around in this area, you should be doing absolutely fantastic. Other than that, we are looking good. Short term mein, the thing is expect prices to go up, expect Bitcoin to go up towards its resistance area. It is probably going to be choppy and move up. Maybe it is going to do something like this. Okay. Yup, it is going to build its base from here, move up, going into 20th January, Trump's inauguration, and then it is going to move back down. So expect any of these things to happen. लेकिन मैं आपको ये सब कुछ क्यों बता रहा हूँ? Do not get psyoped into believing जो आपको बाकी सब, क्योंकि देखो सब ये मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ इतना लंबा एनालिसिस, क्योंकि आपके बाकी सब यूट्यूबर्स आपको ये कहेंगे कि ये मीम कॉइन बाय कर लो, ये ऑल्ट कॉइन बाय कर लो, और दिस इज इट, वी आर सो बैक एंड दिस एंड दैट. नो वी आर नॉट. नो वी आर नॉट. हम सबसे पहले मैक्रो इकोनॉमिकल इंफॉर्मेशन इसीलिए कवर करते हैं ताकि हम लॉन्ग टर्म में देख सके कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. देन हम शॉर्ट टर्म में आते हैं, मीडियम टर्म में आते हैं, उसके बाद बल्कि हम शॉर्ट टर्म में आते हैं. सो जस्ट डू नॉट गेट सॉयोप्ड. आपके सभी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आपको कहेंगे, जिन टोकन्स से, जिन प्रोजेक्ट से उनको पैसे मिले होंगे, वो उन प्रोजेक्ट्स के नाम लेकर आपको ये बताएंगे कि इनको बाय कर लो, इनको बाय कर लो. मेरे साथ ऐसा कोई केस नहीं है. आई डोंट गिव अ फक. Nothing in this analysis is a signal. Nothing here is a financial advice. सभी signals आपको मेरी मास्टर क्लास में मिलते हैं. जो मैं आपको यहां पे कह रहा हूं कि okay, this is looking good, this is looking good, forget about it. I don't care if you buy or not. Signals मैं आपको मास्टर क्लास में प्रोवाइड करता हूं और वो सब कुछ लाइक सिस्टमैटिक वे से होता है. वो मुझे कोई शौक, मतलब मुझे कोई टोकन पसंद नहीं. आई लव बिटकॉइन. आई डोंट गिव अ फक अबाउट इथेरियम, सोलाना, सुई, डोज, व्हाटएवर. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट ग्रास, व्हाटएवर जिनके भी मैंने नाम लिए है. मेरे सिस्टम्स मुझे बताते हैं कि दिस इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टोकन एंड यू शुड बाय इट, सो आई डू. सो keep that in your mind. I'm just telling you, okay, yes, there is going to be recovery rally. If you are an experienced person, you can expect something like this to happen and you can trade it to there. But be aware, be aware. Do not get psyoped and do not keep holding. Take your profits because we're gonna go back down. लेकिन इसका ये भी मतलब नहीं कि if you are holding your cycle bags for 2025, you sell. I ain't selling shit. जब मेरे systems ने कहा था I did, और वो मेरे students को पता है कि when I did, now I know what I'm gonna do, और वो मैं अपने students को भी बताऊंगा कि what I'm gonna do with my own portfolio. So yeah, just be aware. I have told you कि कौन से altcoin strong है. I have told you कि meme market is doing what, और आप कहाँ पे फोकस रख सकते हो मीम मार्केट में, किन टोकन्स पे फोकस रख सकते हो, एंड देन व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड हाउ टू नॉट गेट सायोब्ड एंड ऑल. सो यप, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर गाइस. 2025 is going to be incredible year, लेकिन everyone is betting कि 2025 is going to be incredible year. Yes, it is, लेकिन it is not going to be easy. It is not going to be easy because market does not give any free rides to anyone, especially to those जो कि हार्ड वर्क नहीं करते और सिर्फ सुन के ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि उनको सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा and they will become millionaire, while 99% of the people they lose their money in this market. Why don't you realize this? So 2025 is going to be face melting year. It is going to be incredible. We are going to see biggest pumps in crypto. लेकिन आपको उसमें क्या करना है, कैसे बाय करना है, सिस्टमैटिक वे से चलना है. क्योंकि अगर आप अपने अंदाजों से चलोगे, यू आर गोना गेट क्रश्ड. यू नीड गाइडेंस, यू नीड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ एवरीथिंग. मेरी मास्टर क्लास ज्वाइन करो, मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम करो. आई एम रनिंग अ स्पेशल ऑफर. इफ यू ज्वाइन in next 2 weeks, you're gonna get discounted prices, 40% discounted prices for my masterclass. सभी recorded lectures हैं आपको एक beginner से professional बनाने के लिए, and also daily basis पे signals and all the things जो मैं यहाँ पे analysis में share करता हूँ उससे पहले और उससे ज़्यादा detail में मैं अपनी master class में share करता हूँ. So yeah, many of my students, they have made money, whoever have followed my signals. Again, जैसे मैंने बताया कि a lot of them आपके सामने proofs हैं कि मैं डेली बेसिस पे अपना एनालिसिस पोस्ट करता हूँ. आप उनको देख सकते हो, बैक टेस्ट कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन सी कि मेरी कितनी बात किस तरीके से जा रही है, एंड यू कैन बैक टेस्ट एवरीथिंग आई से. 2025 is going to be incredible year. I wish you best of luck for that, but you need guidance. You need to join my masterclass if you are interested in crypto, or आप crypto में success चाहते हो and you want to make shitload of money in crypto in 2025, because I genuinely care about you and genuinely care about saving you from gambling and degeneracy and transform you to a professional. That is gonna be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.